Hey everybody, welcome to the all-new Embrace EL250 floor plan, a true couples coach that's going to give you a lot of room if you're a bigger camper like me at 6'3", 250. Coming into this coach, it's very, very easy because they have an industry-leading 30-inch wide door. You're also going to find the highest ceiling height at 6'11". Very, very comfortable if you're a bigger camper like me. Now, as soon as you come into the EL250, you are greeted with this very large closet, which you can utilize for anything that you and your family need to pack going to your next destination. Now, the EL250 is going to, again, be ideal for anyone looking for a couples coach that wants a lot of ceiling height. Remember, it's 6'11" from nose to tail inside this floor plan. Starting out here in the back of the coach, as we always do, you have this very large master bath. You've got a large counter space, big window, a lot of storage, plenty of room around the toilet. You've got 1, 2, 3 additional bays of storage here next to your full-size shower that even I can fit into. Alright, so moving up from the rear bath, we're going to talk about the entertainment cabinet that you have. Going to come standard with this 31-inch fireplace, as well as a nice utility for storage on both the shelf and this cubby here. All of your controls are going to be at this location, but you're also going to come standard with this TV, the fascia that's backlit with LED, and this really nice soundbar that has pass-through HDMI and USB. So if you bring an accessory item like a PlayStation, you can simply set it on this shelf, take the HDMI cord, plug it into the face of the radio, and it will pass through seamlessly on the TV. Now let's move here into the kitchen. First, I want to talk about the appliances. You start out with a 10.7 cubic foot residential style electric refrigerator. For those of you looking to dry dock or boondock, you can get the gas combo. You just have to request it from the nearest authorized Embrace dealer. Going to come standard with a microwave, 3-burner stove with a glass top, allowing you to extend and utilize the full counter space. Specific to the counter, this is not a pressed countertop, it's solid surface, and it looks great. It has a nice backsplash that gives you a nice accent here, making it a very residential style kitchen. In terms of utility, again, you've got storage here on the top, as well as below cabinets, as well as 3 drawers that operate very smooth on a roller bearing. You also have some natural light coming into the coach, not just from the massive slide, but also a window integrated here at the back of the counter space to give you that natural light and a nice breeze because these windows open. So across from the entertainment cabinet, you're going to have a couple options with the EL250 floor plan. As you can see, I have theater seating for 2, but this can be requested to be switched out should you want a tri-fold sofa. You can get that as an option. You just have to request that with the nearest authorized Embrace dealer. Now, before I get into the dinette, I do want to talk still here in this area of where these theater seating is. You have cup holders, a lot of utility. Of course, both of these seats will extend out and they can fully recline. You're also going to be able to utilize USB charging. So when you need to relax at the end of the day and you need to recharge yourself, you can also recharge your cell phones as well in this area. So as we continue, this is still one massive slide that has LED lighting throughout. Here we are in the dinette. What's very nice about this, of course, it's going to collapse to give you utility for another arrangement should you decide to have guests at your camping destinations. You have a lot of natural light in this slide. These windows are massive. They all open and they all come standard with some privacy, as the shades will come standard with the EL250 floor plan. Alright, now what you can't easily see when you walk through this at the nearest authorized Embrace dealer is underneath this beautiful flooring, which is not carpet here, the only carpet you're going to find is on the slide, is you have a beautiful tongue and groove plywood. It's going to be much more durable and much more rugged when you're coming in and out of this coach, and it should extend the life of your coach. Also here, if you turn your attention and your eyes down below, you are going to be able to utilize access to storing below each of the bench seats here in that dinette. Alright, we are now here in the front of the coach in the master suite. One of the things that I want to tout and remind everybody, this is Embrace. It is made by Cruiser RV, home of the patent pending king bed slide system. So as I said, a lot of times when they have a true 72 by 80 king size bed, you really reduce the amount of foot space that you have to be able to access and utilize this entire master suite. But with Cruiser, by coming up with this patent pending feature, not only do you have the largest bed in the industry at this price point, but you have the ability to easily slide this bed to utilize the access points on both sides. When we talk about storage, it goes the entire perimeter of this 72 by 80, elongated nightstands on both sides, equipped, as you can tell, with LED lighting. You have large closets on both sides as well, and then centered above, again, continuing that residential look, the cabinets with the nice glass geometry inserts to make this feel truly residential. Over here at the foot of the bed, you have additional storage. Now, what I like, these shelves can be adjusted or removed depending on the size of items that you're planning to pack and take with you at your destination. And I like the smooth operation. Again, you've got 4 drawers here, all on roller bearings. You have a lot of storage here in this master suite of the EL250, as well as a lot of natural light. And in the evening, when you lay down, you have a nice cool breeze because remember, all of the windows will open. So if you are looking for an RV that's going to give you the tallest ceiling height in a floor plan, solid surface countertops, king size bed, and many other features that I didn't include in this video, please continue your search at cruiserrv.com and learn more about the EL250 floor plan. Thanks everybody.